Welcome to the Structures Lab. What we are going to do today is run a test that will allow us to look the behavior of a very important material. So let's get started with that. Right now we are using two grips and we are pulling apart a steel bar reinforcement. We are seeing the strain in terms of displacement for a given force. The important thing for us is to understand how materials behave under stress. So we can see the material starting in its elastic behavior. This is indicated by the linear part of this graph, where we are seeing that as we apply load, we have an equal and constant increase in strain. There comes a point where we have introduced so much force into the material that it starts developing internal cracks. This is called the yield point, and this is indicated by this plateauing of the line. The material, despite the fact that it cannot take any more load, does get longer and longer without failing in a brittle manner, is what works miraculously well when it is combined with a material like concrete. The way these two materials work together, when you have a reinforced concrete beam, for example, would be to start seeing the cracks. It will give ample of warning because of steel's capacity to maintain the load-bearing capacity of steel while it elongates, which means that instead of a sudden failure, it would give a progressive failure that would be easier to see and easier to avoid.